Hi, I'm Mary Swift, and this is my final tool talk on creating. Creating is the last step in Bloom's taxonomy. It shows that one truly understands what they are learning. It helps to create new inventions and solve new problems and create new knowledge to be learned. Wix is a place to create your own website. It started in 2006 and it has over 110 million users now. It provides free templates and pictures to recreate the website your business, or whoever needs it. It is used in over 7 countries with 7 different locations. Wix gives a step-by-step walkthrough to create your website, asking you relevant questions to make sure it is the most efficient and useful it can be. You are able to create your own thing, or even if you want to use one of their own pre-made templates. Each template is made for specific uses such as education purposes or blogs. When you choose your template or design, you can edit the text, the background, upload pictures or videos. You can choose colors or pictures or videos to play, or edit blog posts or articles. It is very simple, and there are pop-ups to help you guide through the process. After you are finished, you can make it accessible to the public, and then you are done. I recommend getting this tool and using it to create a website that fits your own needs. And that's it.